Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a caption on TikTok. Unfortunately, once your TikTok video is live online, there is no button that allows you to edit or change the description under a TikTok video. The only way to edit the TikTok caption after posting is to swiftly delete and repost. Don't worry. This way can help you to keep the original video, complete with all of its edit filters and added effects. So, you won't have to work on the TikTok video from the very beginning. Follow these steps to edit your TikTok captions and repost your final video before anyone notices. Launch the TikTok on your phone and tap your profile. Select the TikTok video that you need to edit the caption. And then, tap the three dots and select Save Video from the option menu. It saves the video including effects, music, and everything else right to your mobile device. After saving the video, you need to delete the TikTok video that has an error in the caption to avoid posting a duplication on your TikTok. Simply click the three dots again and choose Delete. Now, it's time to repost the video with the new caption. Go back to your profile, then tap the plus button and upload the ready-made video from your camera roll. Then keep tapping next until you get to the post screen. Here, you can fill the caption field to add a new description for your TikTok video and then tap post. Just make sure you perfect it before you post. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.